guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm excited. I love this look. I use a palette that I was testing out and I feel like it's a good palette. So if you want to know how I got this look, keep watching. Hey guys, welcome back. So I decided to do this eye off camera because I had no idea of what I was doing. So I'm going to recreate on this eye. I'll be using this palette today, just testing it out. So I'm testing the palette out for somebody just to see how the pigmentation is and if it's a go. So I'm just going to get ready. I hope you guys enjoyed the eyeshadow tutorial and I think it came out pretty good. So let's go. So I'm going to be taking the Yolando eyeshadow foundation base in white. I think it's called AO. And I'm going to be putting this all over my lid. And I'm going to be packing that pink. And then I'm going to pack on that purple right to blend it out. Blend, blend, blend. I just kept blending. Now I'm going in with this yellow shadow. Just to set my brow bone, I'm going to go back with the pink and the purple. Just to make sure that everything is super duper blended. Now I'm going to cut my crease. This is in real time. It doesn't really take me long to do an eyeshadow look. If you've ever been on any of my lives, it literally takes me like 10 to 15 minutes to do an eyeshadow look. So I'm keeping everything in real time for you guys. I mean, the blending, to be honest with you, the blending takes more time as far as like if I put a pink on and I'm blending it, I will blend that pink till I'm satisfied with the pigmentation and the look of it. So that's what I really cut out. I cut out a lot of blending because it's not necessary for you to see all of that blending, because the way I want my shadow to look and the way everyone else is, you know, everybody has their own idea of what their makeup should look like. Hence why everybody's makeup is most of the time different. So yeah, I just, you know, I blend it to my liking, but I don't feel like I need to leave all of that. And I just feel like it's so long because I'm just blending. But I left this video in real time. So I'm just going to take that shimmery blue and I'm going to put that on my lid. Now I'm going to go in with this matte color. It's like a matte slime green. And I actually like this eyeshadow look. I didn't know what I was going to do. I was on live and I was just like, listen, we're just going to, you know, create and see what I can come up with as far as the palette. And I loved every bit of it. This is more of a mint green. I'm just using that in the inner corner. Now I'm going to be taking my Crayon Case ink pen liner and I'm going to begin to create my wing liner. This is my new way of doing it. I saw somebody on Facebook doing it. I've been watching a lot of Facebook lives. Just trying to see what the hype is about. I'm gonna probably try to do some lives on there, but yeah, I'm gonna fill it in. Usually I'll fill it in with a liquid liner, but this day I filled it in just like this. And yeah, I've been going live more often. Hey to the dainties that have been catching your girl doing these liners and these eyeshadow looks. And because I feel like if I could come on and just interact with you guys. Now I'm going to use our burgundy. Now I'm using a glitter glue and I'm going to be putting white gold pigment from J. La Rue and I'm just tightening it up. I feel like I needed to go a little higher, so I'm going to add a little more blue. But thank you for all the dainties that check my lives out, you know, chit chat, just getting to know me, and I want to go live more often. I'm touching it up with that blue, dark blue. Now we're going to go in with the liner. And no, not the liner. We're gonna go in with the lash glue on my lid, and on my lashes I use track glue. They attract so good. Oh my god. Then I'm gonna take that same liquid liner pen from Crayon Case. I'm just gonna go in my waterline with it. Never did it before and I wasn't mad at it. And I'm gonna take some of that AO pigment and I'm gonna go underneath my lash line with that purple, and then I'm gonna go in with that blue. But thank you for all my dainties who come on my live and just keep me company. Thank God. You know, I love y'all. Thank you for supporting me, riding with your girl. You know, now I have Dainty Tresses out, dainytresses.net. Now I'm going to be using the ABH and Cool Earth. That's a foundation stick. That's C10 from Makeup Revolution, C15 from Makeup Revolution. And I'm going to be using those concealers under my eyes, C10 under my eyes. And I'm going to use Cool Earth from ABH and C15 from Makeup Revolution to contour my face. But yes, daintytresses.net. That's where all my hair is from. All the hair that I've been using, I've been testing it out, and it is to my liking. So I have a coupon code. So if you want to know what the coupon code is, just comment down below in this video and I will get you the coupon code. It's good until next week. But yeah, I'm super duper excited because most of the time when people ask me what kind of hair am I using, I couldn't tell you where I was getting the hair from, because I was testing all these companies out, and I really didn't want to give you any information on it if I didn't like it. So I was testing out hair and bundles and things like that, and I found the ones that I really, really like. So a video is coming out soon with me using my own hair from my daintytresses.net line, and I'm just super, super excited. I want to do some other things, but right now, we're gonna crawl before we walk, and we're gonna blend out this contour, and we're gonna do this highlight after, and we're gonna set our face. But yeah, I'm super excited about being a business owner. 2020 has been a bad year for most people, but some people has opened up their eyes to other opportunities, and I'm super duper blessed to get everything done. I can't believe I did everything on my own. I can't believe I have my own company. I'm a CEO, I'm a boss, and God is good, and all my hard work and dedication paid off. So I hope you guys enjoy the hair. But yeah, you can daintytresses.com, and I'll put the link in the video, on the the description bar. What am I saying? In the description bar. But now I am using Shapeshift Cosmetics powders. Now they are all the rage on Facebook. She's really, really big on Facebook. So now right now I'm using Cool Caramel and Beige. I mixed the two just because I guess like my complexion is like in the middle. So Cool Caramel is too dark and Beige is too light. So I mixed the two, and I'm setting my contour area with Mocha from her powders, and my camera kept focusing and unfocusing. So now I'm using, I believe it's ginger all over my face. Yes, and I'm checking to make sure that all my face is set. I'm making sure that my face is set. Now I'm going in with the beige. I just loves me a bright under eye, and to cut the cheek, baby, and make sure the nose is popping, and you got the top knot going on, and you can really focus on highlighting your forehead. So I'm super duper excited about that. I love when my face is all the way shown. What am I saying? I've been up and I did a live today, so I'm kind of discombobulated, and I had a long day. But I like when my face is sculpted. That's what I meant to say. I like when my face is sculpted, and you can see like my contour and my highlight and everything like that. So now I'm going back in with that pink shade that we used in the beginning, and that dark blue just to smoke out the outer V. I use it on the bottom. So I love this look. It was so pretty. And now I'm just dusting away any of the fallout, and this is one of the loose highlighters from Juvia's Place. I can't really remember. I just grabbed it and just went, and I just was contouring my face. It is what it is. But I love the look. I'm just making sure everything is, touch up my brow, because you were using a lot of powders. And please forgive me for just sounding all crazy. Like I said, I was live today with some of the dainties, and I just had a long day, and I said, let me finish this video. So I used the Morph setting spray, and this spray right here is no joke. That is the Dermablend fixing spray. It is no joke when I tell you it seals your makeup in. It seals your makeup to the point where you're like, is it gonna come off when I'm ready for it to come off? But yeah, I used Max CORK, and Bae was talking to me. I used Max CORK and Bittersweet lip liner, and right here I am using Georgia Peach from Lashing Out Glam. That's one of her glosses. So yes, it's like a peachy pinky kind of gloss, and I was just touching up my lip with, I believe that's CORK. Yeah, that's CORK. And now I'm using Glassy from Lashing Out Glam just to pop my lips a little bit. I love nude lips with extra gloss on top. It is so pretty. Now I gotta pop my earrings in because no look is complete without earrings. And I was having a good old time, and Bae had just lined me up, and the sides was laying, baby. Look at them sides. I hope you guys enjoyed my tutorial on how I got this fun, simple look. I also did some of it on live, so make sure you check that out. Yes, I did a live. I said, hey guys, and I was doing my shadow because I didn't know exactly what I wanted to do. So I was talking to some of you guys. So hey, shout out to you if you saw the live as it was being filmed. But yeah, I enjoyed the look. I enjoyed talking to you guys. And until my next one, I'll see you guys later. Bye guys.